Welcome to video part 14, User Management, in this series of eDocs support tutorials. For security of your account, the user management area of the system is only available to users who have this permission enabled on their profile. To enable user management on your profile, or to add an additional user to your account, contact your local Master Builder's office for assistance, or speak to your team or manager to edit your profile permissions. User management is accessed via the Settings menu option, providing you with a view of all users on your account. As each user has their own unique login to the system, their system permissions can all be managed separately. The permissions available are Billing, Business Profiles, and User Management. Billing permissions allows a user to access the account and transaction settings, including viewing transactions, purchasing credit, and managing the auto top-up settings. Business Profile permissions allows a user to edit the business profile, including the business name, industry license number, ABN, address, and logo. User Management allows a user to manage the permission settings of other users. To edit a user's permissions, click on the Actions button associated to their name, and then click Edit to open the Edit User drawer. Tick or untick the required permissions for that user, and then click Update. You can edit your own password from within eDocs by accessing your own profile preferences area and inserting your new password, then clicking Save Changes. To learn more about eDocs, continue to watch other videos in this series, or if you need to speak to someone, contact your local Master Builder's office.